How to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, there are some ways that people tend to follow when it comes to following everyone on TikTok at once. So let's go through them and show you what will be the best way that you can use to get the job done. So go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page. Now, let's go to my following list and say for example that you have followed a lot of people. As you can see, I'm only following 19 accounts. Let's say for example you have followed hundreds or thousands of accounts or whatever, and you wanted to unfollow all of them at once. Now, there are some websites and some apps that claim that they can do this, but I do not recommend you to use them for security and privacy features, as they ask for your email and password and stuff like that. So stay away from those apps as they might be scams or something like that. You don't know. The second option is to simply go, say for example, if you are following a few hundreds and you can spare like 10 minutes in your day, or 20 minutes or something like that, you can just unfollow all of them like manually, and it will not take that much. Like you can follow uh, probably 500 or 1,000 account in like 5 minutes or something like that if you just do it fast, like this. And there's another option that people use, which is the auto clicker apps, uh, which you can find on the Play Store. So if you search for auto clicker, you will find a bunch of apps that basically do the same job, uh, which will give you, like, you can once you download the app, you can just put some signs on the follow button right in, and when you click, it will automatically click on all of them. But it's also time consuming. Like, you do not want to use it, you can just do it manually as I just did, and it will be much faster to do that. Now, the other option that I recommend you to do, and like this is considered to be the best one of them all, is to actually contact the TikTok team, support team, and ask them to do that for you. So if you go back to your profile page right here, you can click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then from the list, click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down till you find the section that says support and about. And from there, click on report problem. I'm sorry. And you will be redirected to this page right here. Let's wait for it to load. And from this page, you want to scroll all the way down and click on submit a report option, which will open up kind of a messaging window for TikTok. Let me just delete that. This was from a previous video. So which will open this messaging window, and here you just need to ask the TikTok team to unfollow everyone or all of your following list in your account. Tell them, please, I have followed a lot of accounts, blah blah blah, and give them your reasons, like I don't have time, or I'm professional, and I can do this, I have plenty of things to do on my day. And once you are done, you can say for example, please unfollow everyone on my account. You can even attach some picture to your following list and show them how big is your following list. And once you do that, click on submit, and after a while, after some period, they will get back to you and get the what you ask them for, and they will unfollow everyone on your account for you. So This is probably the best option that you can do. Other than that, just do it manually. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.